So the renovation video that you're about to watch was originally shot just before Russia's February 24th, 2022 invasion of Ukraine, well, the extended invasion of Ukraine that, of course, originally attacked the country in 2014. And Russia was trying to seize this city, Odessa. They have failed, and I have been, prior to February 24th, filming a series of real estate videos to help you with, obviously, investing in real estate in the country. Now, most of those videos and the footage I shot is now moot, for the moment at least. But this one I think is definitely very pertinent because I've been getting more and more messages from guys, either former clients or new guys who are interested in looking at real estate in Ukraine at this point. So this will give you a good idea what you can do if you were to purchase an apartment in the historic center of Odessa Mama and renovate it. And if you're interested in more information on the topic, maybe my bespoke advice, then down below in the description there is a link to my consulting, and you can invest in a consulting call with me and we'll go into more detail. So let's get into the video. Do перемоги.
SAR Experience.
I'm on my way to look at an apartment in an historic building that is going to be renovated. I thought it'd be interesting for you to come with me and to see what it looks like before it's renovated. And then in a month or two, I'm going to come back to the apartment and see how it looks once it's been transformed. So let's go and have a look at, one of these beautiful old buildings that need to be restored in the center of Odessa Mama. Поехали. And part of the reason I'm bringing you along for the journey and seeing how this apartment is going to be restored is actually for myself as well, because this is the kind of area and type of apartment, i.e. being in an old building, having to restore it, that also I plan to buy here in Odessa. And we are just about to come up to the building. So here I am, I'm inside this building that's being renovated. These apartments, pretty nice. You got at least 1, 2, I think 3 rooms, balcony outside into the courtyard, which is quite typical here in Odessa. Yeah, you can see a lot of the detail, original detail up here on the ceiling. That is very typical. That's what you kind of want to keep when you are buying these kind of buildings, in my opinion. This is part of the charm, and restoring these original pieces of decoration on the ceilings is quite a lot. We have the radiators just there as well. So it's going to be the kitchen. Сколько квадратных метров тут во всем в квартире?
3600. 3750. Нет, это высота потолков от метров квадратных. 113.
113. I'm excited to see what it looks like in a month or two once all the work is done, because as I said, this is kind of what I'm planning for myself as well. So definitely I want to get as much experience with looking at these old buildings and figuring out, what are the pluses or minuses and what kind of work needs to be done on them. Alright, just stepping out onto the balcony here, give you a bit of a look in Odessa. I'm going to take a look down here. So it's been 2 months, we're now at the end of January, and I'm back to have a look at how the progress has gone on the renovations back at the address. So let's go inside and see what they have managed to do in 2 months. You saw it when they were in the middle of the renovations, and now let's see what it looks like when it's done. Поехали. Oh, yeah, so hopefully I'm in the right building here. I haven't messed this up. Let's see if this is the right spot. Ah, yeah, I got the ceiling. Здравствуйте.
Конор, ну что, начнем наше путешествие?
Окей, давай.
Я открываю глаза.
Wow. Wow. Oh my. This does not look like the almost It's obviously the same building, but what a difference. If you can remember what this looked like, it was like, obviously we had all the workers, they were renovating in here, but look at this for a job on the renovations. So here we have, I guess, first bedroom. They have it already decored out. Wow, what a nice style. You can see, wow, the furnishings. I'm a little bit taken aback here. Just how much work you can do in just under 2 months. So this seems to be a guest bedroom in here. So now I'm coming into the living room and wow. What a difference. 2 bloody months. Look at this. Да, все красиво, я думаю. Что ты думаешь, Анжела? Ты не смотрела, когда они работали тут?
Да, я не видела, но сейчас это вообще просто
Bomba. So these are the original radiators that they repaired there. Wow, ребята, молодец. Let's see, wow. Разница, я почти не думаю, что я в эту квартиру.
Можно люстрой управлять.
Okay. Начни смотреть туда. Oh, all right, so you can have it lined. Да, можешь контролировать все.
Да, все, абсолютно все управляется. Этому шкафу или комоду около 70 лет. При этом светильники новые, картина новая, диван или софа новая, там торшер новый. То есть вот этот вот микс между новым, современным и винтажным я обожаю. Мне нравится это сочетание.
Yeah, just amazing to see what you can do in just 2 months. Because also with a lot of my clients or friends who've renovated here, you know, renovating in general, it's a lot of work. You have to manage everything. It can be a lot of frustration. And at the end of the day, it takes a lot of time. You really need to probably be here to manage yourself. I have a very good management team. But, you know, where there's a will, there's a way. 2 months, and just look at how this is transformed. It will take, you know, to have it fully completed, probably another 6 months. They were saying to have everything out on the balcony and to have the kitchen done, and then it will be 100%. But this is just absolutely spectacular. And congratulations to everyone who did it so quickly, so well. So yeah.
Я бы хотел, чтобы эта квартира стоила 400-450 тысяч долларов. Я бы очень хотел, чтобы ее купили за эти деньги. Но в эту цену я бы внес абсолютно всю обстановку, технику и так далее, которая здесь есть. То есть вот я полностью за эти деньги продаю все, что вы здесь видите.
So this video is giving you a solid overview and inspiration for buying a historic building or an apartment in a historic building in Ukraine and what you can do in terms of renovation. Some amazing ideas there. And I'm actually here in another city that has a lot of beautiful old historic buildings. I'm in Chernovtsi in the west of Ukraine. So if you'd like to go into more detail and figure out a proper strategy, whether it is moving to Ukraine, buying real estate here, doing renovations, or maybe just figuring out a good strategy in general about where to go in Eastern Europe in light of the events of 2022 and 2023. We're now here in the springtime, got this beautiful spring sunshine. Then down below is a link in the video description to my consulting services, and we can jump on a consulting call and figure out the right strategy for you. So that is what to do. Actually, this city, Chernovtsi, is absolutely beautiful and very, very, very poorly known internationally. And I actually have a vlog about it. I'll link it up above and down below in the description as well for you. And on that note, do pobачення, do перемоги from Ukraine.
SAR Experience.